Welcome to this ZENworks video demonstration. In this video, we will demonstrate how from a Getting Started page in ZENworks Security, you can configure the patch scan schedule for scheduled scans of all managed devices, or manually kick off a patch scan for selected devices. The daily patch subscription process discovers new patches that are applicable to your managed devices and creates a patch signature file, referred to as a Discover Applicable Updates file, or DAU, that is used to determine which of the patches a device needs. This determination occurs when a device is scanned. By default, the patch scan occurs anytime a device is refreshed, either at the scheduled refresh time or when initiated manually by the device's user. You can customize the patch scan schedule, and you can also initiate a patch scan from the ZENworks Control Center. From this link in the Getting Started page, you go directly to the scan schedule to customize two aspects of the patch scan. When the patch signature file, or DAU, is distributed to devices, and when the scan occurs. By default, the patch signature file is distributed at the same time the scan occurs. You can change this schedule to a specific or recurring date. And as mentioned, the patch scan is scheduled by default to take place on device refresh, but you can also change it to occur on a specific or recurring date. For this demonstration, we'll configure both options to reoccur on a specific day of the week to complete these tasks on the weekend to minimize the possibility of network disruption. On occasion, you may become aware of a new threat or have another reason to kick off a patch scan of all or specific device configurations manually instead of waiting for the scheduled scan to take place. The Initiate Patch Scan link gives you the option to start this process from this Getting Started page. When you click this link, it takes you directly to the Devices page, where you can select applicable devices and initiate a quick task to execute a patch scan of the selected devices. From here, you have three options. Leave the default setting and scan the selected devices using the most recent patch signature file. This ensures that the device is scanned using the most up-to-date file rather than a possibly outdated file. Scan the selected devices using the last distributed patch signature files, or retrieve the existing scan results. After the task completes, you can go to the patch dashboard and check the device last patch scan dashlet to verify the scan was completed. In this example, the scan completed on one of the two devices selected because one of the devices was not powered on. By clicking the link for the other device, you can navigate to Patches and view the status of all patches for the scanned device. This status allows you to perform the tasks associated with maintaining patch currency and remediating vulnerabilities, which are explained in other sections of the Getting Started. In this video, we've introduced you to the patch scan and scheduling options on the Getting Started page for mitigating vulnerabilities. For more information about using ZENworks security products, view other Getting Started videos or see the ZENworks documentation page. Thanks for watching.